Are you ready for the growing number of supply chain disruptions? Last year, Marcy, the sourcing manager of an electronics manufacturer, had no idea when the power outage happened in China. Chinese government put the restriction on the electricity. The yellow phosphorus suppliers in China dramatically reduced the production because its manufacturing process consumes significant amount of energy. It caused the Tier 2 suppliers in Vietnam to deal with the unexpected high demand, which resulted in the price increase by 7 times. The yellow phosphorus is a commodity. The disruption seems small and unrelated, but the seismic impact on both revenue and profit was significant. We help manufacturers to ensure this loss does not happen again and be ready for the future disruption. The solution is simple. Marcy just needs to understand the end-to-end supply chain so that she can be better prepared. ROCK15 Digital Brain allows manufacturers to quickly collect data and visualize the multi-tier supply chains. Then, sourcing and risk managers can bring their disruption cases here and let the digital brain to monitor them and simulate the meaning of disruption, such as weakness, business impact, and solution alternatives, so that manufacturers can avoid the same mistake and continuously reorganize the end-to-end supply chain to make it more resilient. Here's how our digital brain works. Sourcing and risk managers bring their lesson learned from the disruption case into digital brain. They learned that hot weather and wildfires caused the electricity restriction, which forced Chinese suppliers to reduce the phosphorus production. It resulted in 7 times price increase from Vietnamese suppliers, which are in the neighboring countries. They can translate this causality into our digital brain model here. Users can define the scope, combine the rules, and switch on and off for the monitoring and simulation. Let me set the rule active here. The monitoring is on, and the simulation result keeps updated every minutes. Whenever supply chain model is periodically updated from local systems, new disruption cases are added, or such external data as temperature or the phosphorus price are changed over the predefined threshold, users may see the changes in the result. 2 years later, a heat wave occurred in Vietnam. A new sourcing manager was hired last month, and does not know what happened for the phosphorus supply in China. No problem. Digital Brain is doing the job. He can see the alert across multi-tier supply chain overview. They can select the alert and understand how it may impact their business today. Digital Brain shows the disrupted Tier 1 supplier and your materials, production BOM, product and more, by supply chain locations. Users can understand that the electronics production in the San Jose factory might be impacted, and the plant is fulfilling the high-tech and automotive OEM customers in North America. Managers can also check any existing solution alternatives. If users see the highlights, it means there are alternative solutions today. Solutions include alternative bill of materials, alternative suppliers, alternative process, and alternative supply chain, and more. Of course, this is just a piece of solutioning. For example, you may order more before the price goes up too high. This type of solution is not coming out of box, but ROCK15 can help you to model it in the digital brain. Though no solution is available, early alert buys them a time to find the solution before the disruption happens. Managers can organize meetings with key internal and external stakeholders. Digital Brain can be used as a living, breathing documents and project dashboard to effectively support the solution meetings. Once managers design the solution, they can also use Digital Brain for execution. They can set the goals and metrics, define the requirements, and create projects, meetings, business cases. In addition, you can also be proactive. If certain disruption is expected, such as Inflation Reduction Act in US, managers can create the disruption scenario. Then monitor and simulate the impact as well as solution alternatives in the digital brain. Why is ROCK15 Digital Brain better than any other solutions? Disruption is very different each time. The same type of disruption is not regularly happening. Business model and suppliers are changing fast while your supply chain is getting more complex over time. Hard-coded IT solution cannot deal with these changes, but Digital Brain can do, because it's built on the extremely flexible technology. Contact us at service@rock15.com. We will help you to avoid the same disruption happen again, and be ready for the future disruption.